In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a custom emoji from Slack. This can be helpful if you need to clean up your emoji library or if you accidentally uploaded the wrong image. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Slack workspace account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Slack's website or use the Slack app if you have it installed. Enter your login credentials and access the workspace where the emoji you want to remove is located. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard of your workspace. Now, to get started, locate the gear icon. This icon is usually found in the left corner of your dashboard. It looks like a small cog or wheel and is often associated with settings. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a menu with several options related to your workspace settings. In this menu, look for the option that says Edit Workspace, and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can make modifications to the workspace's settings, including managing the custom emojis. Once you're on the Edit Workspace page, find and click on the Emoji section. This section is dedicated to all things emoji related in your Slack workspace. Here, you'll see a list of all the custom emojis that have been added by you or your team members. Scroll through the list and locate the emoji you wish to remove. It's important to double check that you're selecting the correct emoji, as removing it will permanently delete it from the workspace. When you've found the emoji you want to remove, look for a small X button next to it. This button is your key to removing the emoji. Click on this X button and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. To proceed, you'll need to click on Delete Emoji in the confirmation prompt. This action will permanently remove the emoji from your Slack workspace. If you change your mind, you can always re-upload the emoji later, but for now, it's gone for good. And that's it! You've successfully removed a custom emoji from your Slack workspace. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to double-check your selections to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong emoji. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day!